So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a clothing haul as well as a try on from Boohoo. So let's get into it, shall we? So I picked up all of these clothes from Boohoo with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family. So I just want to give my Patreon family a huge shout out and thank you in this video. Thank you guys so much for helping contribute towards my channel and buying me new outfits and looks and just putting everything together. Thank you guys so much, and let's try on some clothes, shall we? So the first garment I picked up from Boohoo is a super cute little orange and yellow tie-dye little stretch mini skirt. I absolutely love little mini skirts like this, just to pair with a simple top to add a nice pop on the lower half of my body. And tie-dye print for me is so gosh darn fierce, so I needed it, girl. The next thing I picked up from Boohoo is another little skirt, and this one is in a nice little soft kind of pink moment. What I thought was super cute about this is that it kind of frills out in a little mermaid style towards the end of the garment, which always adds that nice little bit of shape and a little bit of something extra to the silhouette. So yeah, for sure you will see this on my channel in the future, and hopefully it fits and hopefully it looks good on my bod, girl. Oh, so this next thing I picked up is super cute and super reflective, and not gonna lie girl, I picked it up from the sale section for literally only £2, and it is this absolutely stunning little disco kind of a bow detailed little bralette crop top bit of fabric. But I thought it was so pretty, so sparkly, so reflective, and for sure at some point in the future you know I'm gonna wear it, since it just has that nice AB crystal kind of a disco-y, rhinestoney reflection to it, which just attracts my eyes way too much. So the next thing I picked up from Boohoo also does have a little bit of bling to it, and it is this absolutely stunning blue silky kind of satin little boob tubey kind of a top. But what I thought was super cute about this is that on the built-in kind of a bust area, it does have a really pretty little rhinestone detail, which I think adds a nice little bit of some extra, and yeah, hopefully it looks good on my body. It does look quite suspiciously short, so hopefully it looks good on my body and doesn't reveal everything to the world. But yeah, I just really like the kind of colour and effect of the fabric, as well as the rhinestone little trim, so I couldn't resist, girl. I love the dress so much in blue. I did also pick it up in a nice neon fuchsia pink. This dress is probably one of the brightest, shiniest dresses I've ever owned. So yeah, I'm praying to God it looks good on my body, since I own it in 2 colours, and for sure I want to get use out of this dress, since it is Barbie dollhouse realness, and I'm here for that. Okay, so every single time I seem to do a haul from Boohoo or Shein or Pretty Little Thing, I pick up one garment where I always wonder why, and that is this next piece. It is an off the shoulder, which I absolutely love, but it's like a silver Tin Man metallic long dress, which is a very weird style, a very strange concept, and hopefully it looks flattering on, since it's that kind of reflective-y metallic where it shows literally every lump and bump in your stomach. But yeah, I don't really know why I picked it up, but you never know. It could look cute on. I'm praying it does, since I've got it now and I kind of want to use it. Okay, so this next thing I picked up is kind of an exception to my usual rule. Generally, I start in the sale sections, you know, love me a good bargain, and then I will go in the general dresses or garments and sort price low to high, and kind of once it gets over £10–15 per item, I think if I really like it, I'll pick it up, but I'm less oh my god, yes, buy it all, since, you know, I'm a queen on a budget. But this next garment, I remember being £21, so you know I was feeling it on the model, and hopefully it looks cute on me, since it is a nice floor-length pink lacy dress with a nice slit up one side, so it adds a little bit of sex appeal as well as some mobility, since I hate wearing full floor-length gowns and feeling like I'm trapped and claustrophobic in them. So it should hopefully look good and give me some mobility. So yeah, obviously I've not tried it on yet. I'm going to try it on in a minute once I film the haul, so hopefully it fits, hopefully it looks snatched on my body, and it's worth that £21 price tag, since I went out of my way to purchase this on purpose, since I thought it looked so pretty. The next thing I grabbed from Boohoo is just a nice little simple purple bodysuit swimsuit. I absolutely love garments like this since it allows me to pad and cinch in my waist and wear tights in the works, but it lets me show off my legs to like their longest. So yeah, hopefully this one fits, hopefully it looks cute on my body, and for sure you'll see it on my channel in the future, girl. Terrible tongue pop, what was that? Like I said, I love swimsuits for showing off my legs, so I did also pick it up in a nice neon intense peachy colour. This shade seems to appeal to me so much recently, and I keep gravitating towards it in every single like shop I've done. So yeah, I now also own it in a nice little swimsuit bodysuit, and again, hopefully it looks good on my body and shows off my legs, girl. That was a good tongue pop, proud of that one. Okay, so maybe this haul has two items where I looked at and was like, why the F did I buy this? Like, I am such a huge fan of floral print. I seem to buy something floral in every single clothing haul I've done on my channel. But the fit and style of this next dress just looks like curtains to me. Like, I love floral, but hopefully it changes my mind when it's on my body, since just looking at it, why the fuck did I buy this? Okay, so maybe 3 items from Boohoo this time. Why the fuck did I buy? Since this next dress I picked up is kind of fierce because it's yellow, and generally in my wardrobe I own the least amount of red, orange and yellow, particularly orange and yellow, so I am trying to buy more of it. But it's in like a weird crochet print dress, and it's full like floor length mermaid gown tail base. So yeah, it's a very unique style, a very different kind of style, so I'm hoping it looks good on my body. But yeah, Jack, what were you thinking, girl? Why did you buy 3 very strange, odd garments in colours and sizes and shapes with different prints and fabrics than you would ever go for? But hopefully it looks good on my body, girl. Let me know down below. Okay, so in pretty much every single haul I've done on my channel, I pick up something floral, which I've already shown, and then my second favourite print that I'm fairly sure you guys can guess is... anyone? Snake print. And this one is nice and yellow. Like I said, I own the least amount of orange and yellow in my wardrobe, so I am really trying to like flesh out the area in my little drag collection. So yeah, I now own a nice little yellow snake print kind of tie front dress by the look of it. It seems like it's fully open, so we'll see what she looks like on my body. But you know, I love me some snake print and I need more yellow. Hopefully she looks good on. Okay, so I think this makes the 4th item I've looked at so far where I've been like, why would I buy that? What drew me to that? I mean, the next garment is yellow, so like I've said, I'm trying to get more yellow in my wardrobe, but it seems like a very strange fit and flare to the fabric, and it looks super unflattering. So hopefully it looks good on my body, since yeah, I don't really know how to describe this dress or the shape of this dress, but again, hopefully it looks good on my body. But girl, what were you thinking? My style is questionable, I will say. Okay, so the next thing I picked up kind of like regains my general drag style, since it is just a nice little pink stretch mini skirt. This one feels like very thick and like bodycon though, so I'm hoping it really like cinches in my waist and pops out my hips in such a good way. So yeah, for sure, when I wear this in the future, I will definitely wear my like double 2-inch hip pads. Generally when I do my try-ons, I just wear my single little 1-inch hip pads and it just, you know, does a bit. But I feel like with a skirt like this and the nice like bodycon stretch, for sure, I need some curve to like flesh it out, but hopefully it makes my body look nice and snatched. Why was that the like best time to do a tongue pop and it didn't happen for me? Nope, still don't have it, girl. So the next garment I picked up is in a nice shade of neon yellow, but it is kind of one of them things that, why didn't I think about what it looked like on the model? It is like the thinnest kind of tank top material, and the whole like bra front portion is completely lace and see-through. I don't really know when I'm going to wear this or how I'm going to like, you know, cover things, since it is completely see-through in the front. But yeah, hopefully it looks cute on my body, since, you know, it's very intense and bold and I do love me some neons. But yeah, the style of it is questionable, to say the least. And the next thing I picked up is yellow snake print yet again. Like I said, I'm very much trying to like flesh out my wardrobe with some yellows and some oranges in there to, you know, make me play in some different colours. And like I said, I do love snake print, so if this skirt fits, it should hopefully look really good on my body since there is no stretch to this at all. So yeah, let me know down below what you think of it, and at some point you'll see me obviously in a lot more yellow and orange. So the next two things I picked up from Boohoo are two just little simple kind of cottony bralettes in a kind of like Versace kind of print moment. So I got it in black as well as in white, and not gonna lie, I do actually really like the styling of this. I just hope it looks good since I feel like the material choice is a little odd for a bralette, but yeah, hopefully it fits and hopefully I look expensive for a change. I was obviously feeling that like black and white Versace moment since the next dress I picked up is in a combination of the two bralettes but in like a dress form, so hopefully it looks good on. It kind of looks like one of the materials where it's just like very loose and flowy and could sit on all my rolls on my stomach, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but yeah, hopefully it looks cute on my bod and again has that kind of like Versace kind of print, so hopefully it makes me look a little bit more classy and expensive. I kind of need the help. Okay, so let's make it number 5 or whatever tally we're on now for garments where I think, why the fuck did I buy that and what mood was I in when I purchased it? Because the next thing I picked up is a white pair of pants with like the pink kind of Versace kind of fleur-de-lis print on it. But yeah, generally when I'm in drag I avoid pants because they don't generally look the most feminine or look good on what you're trying to achieve in drag with like moose knuckle and padding and cinching and stuff. But yeah, I now own a kind of stretch legging pair of white and like peachy pants, so that's good for my drag wardrobe. You can safely say it's a unique piece. But girl, were you drunk when you was ordering 5 garments where I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, so this next thing I think is so super cute. Halloween is my favorite time of the year. You guys know this. I always talk about Halloween and my love for like spooky season and fall and autumn. So the next dress I picked up is a full-on Halloween print little moment and I am living for it. I love anything with like pumpkins and ghosts and spooky and Halloween on it. So yeah, for sure, I will wear this all year round. Oh, it's not actually a dress, it's a bodysuit. So that means I love it even more, girl. I love me stretch bodysuit. So, yeah, for sure, I will wear this all year round. I do not give a shit. Halloween is my favorite, and I will celebrate it whenever I can, girl. Terrible tongue pop again, my powers have gone. Okay, so the next garment I was definitely feeling on the model since I picked it up in 2 different shades. So I got it in a burgundy as well as kind of like mossy olive green. And it looks just kind of like a crisscross front tube dress, which, you know, might not be the most flattering style in all honesty. But yeah, I'll see what it looks like when my body is, you know, on. Generally, again, for dresses where it's like higher neck and kind of more tube-like, I like to wear my 2-inch hip pads and really corset in my waist to give it some shape. For the try-on, I'm just literally going to stick on my 1-inch hip pads and not corset or anything, so it'll probably look better if I, you know, try to give my body more shape. But yeah, let me know what you think of each of these down below. I think it's something a little bit different from my style, and I do actually love both of the tones of this dress, so hopefully it looks alright in my bod, girl. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is pretty much a mullet skirt. Since in the front, it just looks like a nice little crisscross mini skirt, but it does come with like quite a nice little train in the back, which I think is actually kind of cute. The colour of it is a little bit odd for me, like a salmony peachy colour, but yeah, at some point in the future, you will see it on my channel since I do actually quite like the little like train detail to it. So you'll see it in the future, girl. The next garment I picked up from Boohoo is just a simple little spaghetti strap floral moment. You guys know me, I love some floral print dresses, so anytime I see anything in the sale section that's floral print, I end up picking it up, and obviously this fit that brief. It looks quite flowy and loose, so, you know, might not be the most like snatch to my body, but, you know, sometimes it's good to wear like a flowy loose garment since when I have all these filming lights on, I am melting, bitch. So, yeah, we'll see what she looks like on. I do actually really quite like the colour of it, so, yeah, you might see it in the future, girl. That was a good tongue pop. That had some, like, spice to it. So the next thing I picked up is in the exact same style as the previous dress, but it's in more of a kind of like watercolory floral moment. So again, I'm hoping it looks okay on my body. It seems quite like flowy. So yeah, we'll see what she looks like on, and you'll probably see her on my channel in the future when it's roasting in my room and I just need a little bit of fabric to cover me up. That was a terrible tongue pop. I could feel that was going to be terrible. Disappointed. And then the final thing I picked up from Boohoo, could make it garment number 6 of the what was you thinking, why did you buy this? But I do also think they're kind of cute. I just don't know when I'm going to wear them in drag. Since they are a pink denim little pair of hot pants shorts, which generally denim in drag isn't the best anyway, since it doesn't have any stretch or anything, and hot pants shorts, you know, kind of in drag with padding and tucking and everything, isn't really my go-to, but they are in a nice pink colour, which I think is kind of fierce. I love my Barbie fantasy. So, yeah, hopefully they fit. Hopefully they'll look cute on, and you might see them in the future, girl. You never know. Might change my whole style up for them. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little Boohoo haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which garment was your favourite. And don't forget to subscribe to our bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday at 10 PM. But like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell to tell you about bonus days. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Good tongue pop outro. Proud of myself.